Windlass brake liners play a crucial role in the safe operation of your vessel. Over time, these components wear down, which can lead to serious safety issues if not addressed promptly. Understanding when and why to replace them is essential for maintaining compliance with IMO and SOLAS regulations. First, let's talk about why these brake liners need replacement. Windlass systems are under constant stress, especially during anchoring and mooring operations. The friction generated can cause wear and tear, leading to reduced performance. If you notice any signs of slippage or unusual noises during operation, it's time to assess the condition of your brake liners. Regular inspections can help identify wear patterns early, preventing costly repairs and ensuring safety at sea. Next, let's dive into the inspection and wear assessment process. Start by visually inspecting the brake liners for any cracks, chips, or significant wear. A good rule of thumb is to replace them if they're worn down to half their original thickness. Use a caliper to measure the thickness accurately. If you're unsure, consult your manufacturer's specifications for guidance. Remember, a small oversight can lead to major issues down the line. Before you begin the replacement process, it's essential to have a pre-replacement checklist. Gather all necessary tools and materials, including new brake liners, a torque wrench, and safety gear. Ensure you have a clean workspace to prevent contamination. Double-check that you have the right specifications for your windlass model, as using incorrect parts can compromise safety and performance. Now, let's get into the step-by-step brake liner replacement. Start by disconnecting the power to the windlass to ensure safety. Remove the old brake liners carefully, taking note of how they are positioned. This will help you install the new ones correctly. Clean the brake drum thoroughly to remove any debris or old lubricant. Once the surface is clean, install the new brake liners, ensuring they fit snugly and are aligned properly. Reassemble the components, making sure to torque all bolts to the manufacturer's specifications. After the replacement, it's crucial to conduct post-replacement testing and logging. Reconnect the power and perform a functional test of the windlass. Check for smooth operation and listen for any unusual sounds. Document the replacement process, including the date, the condition of the old liners, and any observations during testing. This log will be invaluable for future maintenance and compliance checks. In conclusion, regular maintenance of your windlass brake liners is not just about compliance, it's about ensuring the safety of your crew and vessel. By following these steps, you can extend the life of your windlass system and avoid potential hazards. Remember, a well-maintained windlass is key to smooth sailing.